Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Monday, June 16, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 5, verses 38 to 42. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 38 and 39b. You have heard that it was said, eye for eye and tooth for tooth. But I tell you, do not resist an evil person. The gospel of the Lord. Our message, do not fight back. Huwag kang lumaban. First, anyone who is doing evil is not from the Lord but from Satan. Don't be of Satan. Ang sino mang gumagawa ng masama ay hindi mula sa Panginoon kundi kay Satanas. Huwag kang kay Satanas. Second, anyone who is doing evil is just manipulated or a victim of Satan. Don't be a victim of Satan. Ang sino mang gumagawa ng masama ay minamanipula lamang o biktima ni Satanas. Huwag maging biktima ni Satanas. And third, anyone who is lacking in doing evil is in need of understanding, prayer, and love. Be the Lord's mercy and compassion to the needy and evildoers. Ang sino man nagkukulang at gumagawa ng masama ay nangangailangan ng pangunawa, panalangin, at pagmamahal. Maging awat habag ng Panginoon sa mga nangangailangan at gumagawa ng masama. Good morning and God bless us all. God loves you.